Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for another airbag data crash reset. As you can see, I got airbag module here. This airbag module is for VW or Volkswagen Polo, I think. Yeah, 2018. As you can see, this is the actual airbag module number I got on here as well. This is the actual airbag module number, and as you can see, the airbag module is got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's open the 5 screw. I think this is the actual T10. So let me just open the back of the module, and then we see if we can clear the data crash on this airbag module. As you can see, guys, this is the back of the actual module. So I think we're gonna try to work here, and this is the actual MCU just right here, which is hold all the data, everything here. So let me do the wiring pin out, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I done all the wiring diagram. As you can see, I'm gonna use the the CG100X. So let's go back to the laptop. I just point my camera just right to my laptop. I hope you guys can see. I go to CG100X. I just say okay. From here I go to the airbag. From here I go to the European, all the way down to Volkswagen, and from here I go all the way down to I think yeah, this is the actual MCU number R7F7010713. This is actual exactly same MCU on the airbag module. So we're gonna try this, and we're gonna say next. As you can see, guys, this is actual wiring diagram. And from here we're gonna say start. As you can see, it's reading the actual data from the MCU. So I'm gonna save this one on my desktop. I just save that one as old data. I just say save. the file was saved successful. So now the actual software asks me, are you ready to start repairing the data? You just say okay. Now it's connected to the server, and now it's gonna look for the data, crash data, and it's gonna erase the crash data, and then after that it's gonna rewrite the correct data back to the airbag module. The data was repaired successful. We just say okay, and now I'm gonna save the data. I just saved this one, new. Just save it. Okay, so I just minimize this, and now what I got here is the actual, this is the new one, and this is the actual old one. So I'm going to open the hex editor to just compare the data. So what I'm going to do, this is the actual new one, and this is the genuine one. We just go back here. As you can see, guys, this is the actual crash data. As you can see, is you can see the difference. That's mean everything here is good. Everything looks good to me. So I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna go back to the actual ECU. Go back to the actual airbag module. So I just disconnect this, and I just disconnect all my wiring. Okay. Just clean the area like this, nice and tidy. So I'm going to put everything back to the case and call to the customer to come to pick the actual airbag module. Alright guys, my customer just dropped the car right here, so I'm gonna just put the module back. This is a car, so I just wanna put the actual module back to the car. The module is just behind that console, and then once I put it back, we can try this one together. Guys, I just connect the actual airbag module back to the car. As you can see, just right there, it's got 3 what you call 10mm nuts. So let's moment of truth, we try to start the car, and we see everything is good. Put the key in the ignition is on. Hold the clutch, start the car. Please, as you can see, guys, there is no any more airbag light, so everything sorted. I don't have any warning, nothing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.